Here's a question from Nicolette. I want to change the look of my kitchen and cabinet fronts, but I don't want a remodeler to take everything down. Do you have any suggestions on what I could do? Nicolette, these are two of my favorites, the Ace Cabinet and Trim Paint or the Amy Howard Chalk Base Paint. Now the trim paint is a self-leveling paint. You'll put 2 coats on once you do the proper prep work, which will be wiping it down and a little light sanding. With the Amy Howard, all you have to do is wash the cabinets down and apply 2 coats of this chalk-based paint. It's kind of a duller finish that you could go back and put a gloss over the top, but I really like how this looks. It's an inexpensive way to really update your kitchen. Here's an email from Charles. How do I rid my yard of moss and mushrooms? Less moisture for sure, more light, and take a look at the topography of your lawn. So this is what I want you to do. We got to get some more light into that area because that's why you get the moss and the mushrooms growing. But if there are depressions in the soil, we need to raise that back up. Just go ahead and take some topsoil, black dirt right over the top of that so that it evens all out. So there's drainage there, and you can go ahead and reseed over the top of that. The combination of more light, less moisture, and bringing the soil up should solve the problem.
Hi Lou, my name is Diane, I'm from East Brunswick. I have a question. We're redoing our bathroom, a small bathroom. We know all the pieces we want to put in it. We need a contractor. What is the best way to find a contractor and what should I be asking?
Diane, I'm all about people doing the work themselves, but when it comes time to hiring a contractor, you want to make sure that you're really doing your homework because you want to make sure that you've got people with the right experience that can get the job done right. No matter where you live, there's a handful of really good contractors, and there's a lot of third-party endorsements, whether it's online reviews, contractor referral services, even associations where you can start your search. But more importantly, it's about word of mouth. If you have friends that have had work done by contractors, contact them, ask around. And when you call those contractors and you interview them, make sure you get along with them when they're sitting in your kitchen talking to you about the project. Then ask for their references, and you need to make it your job to call those people and talk to them. Now, while it's important to talk to the people they just got done working with maybe a month or 2 ago, ask them about a referral for a project they did 5 years ago and call those people. That's where the proof in the pudding is. How does the project hold up, and how's their service after everything's been paid for to make sure that those things on the punch list get taken care of and it's a project that will last the test of time.